so this is now 2 weeks after the operation, where you were literally hobbling before the operation. We managed to do it as a day case. L5 stroke S1 decompression and stabilization as well.
Yeah.
So let me see you have a little walk now. Great. Yeah, and we can see your face, big smile on your face now for a change. Anything shooting down your legs?
No pain in the legs.
You've still got that numbness?
Slight numbness. Yeah.
And a bit of weakness.
Yeah.
But that, it's going to take some time. And then if you walk back,
sure.
But your posture is really straightening up nicely now. Good, and that's just 2 weeks later.
Yeah.
Brilliant.